Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Denis, and if you're new here, consider to subscribe to my channel. A few days ago I was on presentation of iPhone XS Max in Slovenia, and this is how it was. Here we are. I was one of the first in Slovenia who had a chance to hold this phone in hands and to test it. This is brand new gold iPhone XS Max. People who had used iPhones in all those years know that there is no huge upgrade on S models. I'm gonna talk as Android guy, and this year Apple surprised me. A lot. Now let's go on step by step. On the outside, everyone could say that this is the same as iPhone X, unless you hold new gold colored iPhone. And it's a bit bigger. Display, I mean. The display is now 6.5 inches Super Retina HD display, which is basically OLED. Outside size is something like iPhone 8 Plus, but with bigger display. A12 is the first 7nm bionic chip from Apple. On the paper it means that it will be faster and more power efficient. One thing that considers me here is the battery and its life. Just because it has small battery for such a big display. Most brands nowadays talk about 4000 mAh batteries, but Apple made a different choice and they went for 3174 mAh battery. Kinda too small battery, isn't it? I will talk more about it once when I get it on test. And now the part that most of us want to know when we're buying new phone. Camera. iPhone XS and XS Max have optical image stabilization on both lenses and new updated image processing, which, by the way, is the most important in smartphone photography. After fast testing, camera is amazing. I saw in many reviews how processing gives too much of beauty on a face, but I was more focused on details. Well, you can give your opinion based on what you see here. At the end, there is also a big step up in storage. Basic model starts with 64GB, it continues with 256GB, and that big upgrade is 512GB of storage. Looks like that soon we won't need computers anymore. And pricing? You know, new model, new price. It depends on market, country and what rate. iPhone XS Max in Slovenia, for example, starts at 1321 euros. And in Germany it starts at 1249 euros. Until then, stay tuned for all of the upcoming videos. And until the next time, stay in love. Peace!